Hello, Fluent here. In today's video, we're going to introduce you to the new Send Later feature built into the email. Let's begin by creating a new email message by clicking on the green and white button to the right of your email platform. We're going to begin by noticing that this is a new message and you have a new schedule button located right at the bottom of the email window. Let's go ahead and create a test of this. We're going to send it to myself, and we're going to go ahead and schedule this for sending. We're going to schedule this for today's date. It is now 11:38. Let's go ahead and set this for 11:39 a.m. and schedule sending. The email is currently scheduled to be sent out at 11:39 a.m. Let's go ahead and look in our scheduled box. You can see that it's still there, and our time here says it's 11:38, and at 11:39 it should send and disappear. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for videos of our new features that we are rolling out weekly and bi-weekly. And one more, maybe, there we go. Now it should be sending on its way. 11:39 a.m.